Alright, good morning YouTube. It's Michael from Carteret County Video Project. This morning is January 4th, 2018. And this is Morehead City, North Carolina. This is the big snowstorm that is hitting the East Coast right now. A big low pressure system with hurricane force winds and hurricane force millibars is just off our coast right now, and it's a nor'easter that's producing one of our famous snowstorms. This one is going to turn out not to be as big as ones we have seen in the past. This one's not dumping as much snow as they predicted. Here in Morehead City, we were expected up to 3 inches. I was just looking at the radar, and this will probably end in the next hour, and I would suspect that officially maybe we're going to have a 1/4 inch of snow. So way off on the totals. I know places just west of here, Newport's only 6 miles, and they've got 3 inches on the ground. So as usual, Morehead City, being right on the coast, is going to see less than other places. I know that places in Jacksonville and New Bern and Kinston and Fayetteville are seeing quite a bit of snow, up to 4 or 5 inches, and places like Norfolk, Virginia are going to get a foot of snow out of this. There haven't been any power outages here in Morehead City, but I understand that Newport and Cape Carteret and some other places in eastern North Carolina have been without power. One of the characteristics of this storm is the fact that we do have gale force winds. They're kind of calm right now, but as you can imagine, with the low pressure system off the coast, there is quite a bit of wind associated with this storm. So the 2018 storm that was supposed to be a big deal turned out to be a dud here in Morehead City. But if you could like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments in the section below. Let us know what area of eastern North Carolina you're from and how much snow you got. We appreciate you visiting.